I think that's the magic of Safrans du Monde, is the wow factor and the attention to detail. It pervades the entire team and it pervades the experience.
It's a trip with so many memories and an experience that you just can't buy back.
The greatest pleasure I get would be the encounters, second only to the rooms.
It's beat our expectations by far. Every turn, everything is just like a wow.
One of the best parts of the whole experience was interacting with our small group. We only had 14 people in our group. We all spoke English. We had the same tour guide the entire 22 days or whatever it was.
This is the best experience we have ever had.
Words can't describe it enough. You just really have to go there and see it for yourself.